How to cancel Interac e-transfer on TD Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, in order to cancel a transfer that you have initiated, the first step is to access your online banking platform. This is typically done by logging into your account through your bank's website or mobile application. Once you're logged in, you can navigate to the section that displays your transaction history or the payment history. Within the history, locate the specific Interac e-transfer that you're intending to cancel, and after you've found the correct transaction, look for the clearly labeled cancel option or the similar function that allows you to reverse the transfer. It is important to remember that the exact steps for this process can differ depending on which financial institution you use. Banks and credit unions each have their own significant, slightly different interfaces and procedures for canceling transactions. In addition, it is also possible that your bank or the credit union may impose a cancellation fee for reversing an Interac e-transfer. Because of these variations and potential fees, it is a good idea to contact your specific bank or credit union directly if you need more detailed instructions or have questions about their cancellation policies. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.